Every industrial machine generates thousands of data points. But data alone is not enough. That's why MENTIS by CFT was born, a digital intelligence integrated into CFT assets. It collects and interprets machine data. It optimizes energy consumption. It anticipates the need for spare parts, supporting activity planning. And with new dedicated applications, MENTIS can monitor every critical component along the line. A machine without intelligence fails in silence. A machine with MENTIS measures, corrects, and improves.